This random dog just walked in my backyard. I swear to God he's not mine. I'm kind of scared of him. He just walked by again. Oh! You look mean. He's huge. Come here. Oh God, those eyes, dude. Come here. Oh, he's harmless, that I think. Come here. Go another way then. Come here. The fuck? Freak. Freak. Beep. Come here. Come here. Come here, don't bite me, please. Don't bite me. Oh. Hi. You want some food? I'll feed you, little baby. I've seen you around before, I swear. Yeah, you're that same dog that always comes here in my front yard. You walk in my backyard randomly like you own it. I'm about to get you some food. Your mouth is wet like you have been eating something. Alright, well, let me get this puppy some food. I don't know who he is. He's so cute, though. Don't be so scared. Aww, he wants out. I'll get him out. Goodbye, guys. I gotta take this random dog home. Oh, thanks! Mark your territory, huh? My other dog's gonna smell that and think I'm cheating.